Ready to release. DA63T 4x4 manual. Ayan. Transformer pickup. Color pearl white. Naka off-road setup. With bumper left up 2 inches. 13 inches mag wheels with mud terrain tires. With canopy. With 7 inches stereo with reverse camera. Complete LTO register, direct to buyer's name.